Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another Facebook Live with me, Nadia Leona Yunis, your spiritual, creative, personal peak performance and mindset transformation mentor coach consultant. It is Saturday Night Live, it is Facebook Live. We're still on our 30-day challenge to make daily, nightly personal development live trainings here for you on Facebook. So, Jazakallah khairan, thank you for joining me every day so far or checking out the replay. The replay is always available as soon as we finish, and you can go ahead and share it. You can share it whilst we're live right now as well, and click like and click the love button and let your family and friends know that you're watching this too, so they can join in as well and learn lots too. I do hope and pray that you have enjoyed all these trainings so far. They're meant to be like 20 minutes max, so we got anything between 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. So tonight's not going to be long. I know I say every single night we're not going to go too long, but tonight's definitely not going to be long. It's just, I think, what time is it? It's just about getting 11:30. I wasn't meant to pop in this late, but I've been working on 2 trainings this weekend and once for tomorrow. So I've been working on those, and yep, these replays are going to be available and they'll be on YouTube as well, so you can watch them later. It's a challenge that I decided to do for December. I did one in August, which was on Instagram, where I did daily videos, 60-second videos, and then I shared them across all my social media. So it's the same thing to do 30-day trainings here on Facebook with a new personal development topic every single night. And do bring your notebook and pen, because we work on this call. I coach and mentor you to do some work on this call. And if you are live, then go ahead and comment below. Let me know where you're from. Say Salaam. And of course, you can leave your comments when the replay is up as well. Inshallah, I'll get back to that and I'll respond to all of you as well. And go ahead and share this. I can't share it when I'm live. There's no share button for me when I'm live. I can only share it once we're done. So tonight, we're talking about accountability. It's accountability time. So, by the way, the more you like my posts on my Facebook page, the more this will pop up on your newsfeed. You should all get a notification that I'm live right now, because you've liked my page. Otherwise, you're scrolling down your newsfeed and you just saw me and so, hi, assalamu alaikum, welcome. And go ahead and share this page with your family and friends as well, because, as I said, the more you like the stuff on this page, it's not like a narcissistic thing or anything. It's just how Facebook algorithms work. The more you like the stuff on the page, the more you get to see stuff on your newsfeed. That it's too bright over there, and it's too dark over there, and then it's too bright over there. Just stay here. The more you actually like the post, the more you get to see them in your newsfeed, and the more this will pop up on your newsfeed. I don't know if all of you are getting notifications. You should all be getting notifications, but I think, again, the more interactive you are with my page, you'll get notifications. And don't worry, all the replays are up on the page. They will be on YouTube too, so if you've missed any, you can go back and watch them. Instead of consuming negative news on social media, why not go ahead and watch the replays? It's all personal development. And tonight we're talking about accountability. So it's accountability time. What does that mean? That means that I want to ask you, have you all been joining me live? Because obviously I can see how many people join live when you click the notification, or how many are watching when you are on the newsfeed. I get to see that afterwards, or when the replay is up. Have you been a active student learning or passive student? And what I mean by that is, there's one thing being inspired and motivated. One thing you'll notice is I can't really speak. So there's one thing being inspired and motivated by my trainings and my articles and blog posts, for instance. But there's another thing that you actually apply the teachings, basically. And I apply them myself too. That's why I'm here teaching. That's why I'm the personal development coach, and that's how you can be a personal development coach too. I actually learn, apply, see what works for me, and then come here and teach you all and train you. And so it's accountability time, and I want to ask you, have you been watching and learning from all the previous ones? We're in day 10. As I said right from day 1, I said things will happen. As you know, a couple of days I haven't been too well. I don't really look too well-ish right now, but I'm not exactly ill. It's just the weather sort of thing. But the thing is, that day when I really wasn't feeling well, I just really wanted to make the video for you, just because I wanted to stay in the flow of making the videos. I wanted to stay accountable to you that I'm making these videos and these live trainings basically, and I really want to teach this. I really want to get out to a bigger audience. And there's one thing, you joining my mailing list and getting my newsletters, and then you watching my YouTube videos or going over to my blog, my website, and reading my blog posts or articles. But then everybody's on social media, you know, basically. And this is another way for us to connect and have a chat together. And talk about all things personal development and work on ourselves. It's all about working on ourselves, taking that responsibility and working on ourselves. So the accountability it was for me as well. Basically, I want you guys to hold me accountable too. If I don't come, well, in fact, why don't you post on my wall? Why don't you send me an inbox here on my public page and remind me and say to make sure to make the training for you, because that's another accountability, because then I know that you guys are watching, I know that you're enjoying this, I know you're learning something, so then I'll be here making these videos, live trainings for you. And also accountability for yourself as well, not just the fact that you've been joining me and doing the exercises that I've been talking about, but other areas of your life. We need accountability. We also need accountability mentors, coaches, or a team, accountability team. So what does that mean? It means if you're working on a specific goal, such as, I always mention weight loss, but I know that's kind of a big thing for people. Weight loss, relationships, work, studies. Again, when I talk about your personal goals, they really are as personal they are to you. It's whatever goal you want to work on or you are working on right now. You have mentors and coaches. You have me as a mentor or coach. I do one-to-one mentoring and coaching. I only have limited number of slots that I have open during the season. So if you are interested in one-to-one mentoring or coaching, do inbox me on my public page here, and we'll discuss that. We'll schedule a consult for you, inshallah. And mostly I do that for sisters, one-to-one. The brothers, you can join all the group coaching and all the group courses, inshallah. But the one-to-one is mainly for the females, for the sisters. So having a coach and mentor is accountability. Having me do these live trainings every night is also a form of accountability, not just for me, for the fact that I've got to turn up for you, but also whether you're doing the exercises and actually applying the exercises, because you have to do the exercises to apply them. Well, you have to do them to apply them to see the results. Just by watching me and listening to me and being inspired and motivated, that's just not going to work on its own. You have to actually do the work. That's how it actually works. So the work works like that, basically. So accountability, have an accountability partner, whether it's your other half, whether it's your family member, whether it's your best friend. And as I was talking about exercise and fitness, and I know, as I said, most people are into fitness and health and going to the gym. And if you don't have a coach like me, coach or mentor like me, or somebody else out there who's a coach or mentor, then is that, by the way, is that light to brightening for you? Light to brightening for you? I can't speak English. What was I talking about? Yeah, so with the goal that you're working on, and if you don't have a coach or mentor like me, for instance, or somebody else who's a coach or mentor, but somebody else who is working on that goal with you. So if you go to the gym with your friends, there's two of you, accountability. Are you guys going together? Are you working on the same things? I don't go to the gym. I go running, swimming, training, martial arts. I'm not the gym type. Strength training, I will go to gym, but because many people enjoy going to gym, so you may have a gym partner, for instance. Are you guys doing the same exercises? There's accountability. Maybe you want to read more. Maybe you want to read more. Maybe you want to start reading more. Maybe you want to start a book club, but for now you just want to start reading more. Do you have a book buddy? Book accountability buddy? That's something to work on. What else can we work on? You tell me what you're working on, what are your goals that you're working on. And for that, find yourself a buddy. If you don't want to have the services of a coach or mentor like me or somebody else out there, it is an investment, definitely an investment. You have to invest your time, energy and money in having a mentor or coach. I have mentors and coaches. It's an investment. And there's also friends as well, because if you're both doing the same thing, you can keep each other accountable. Remember, like when we were at, or maybe you are at school, college, university, and you have your friends and you're studying together. It's, again, you're inspiring and motivating each other, staying on track. So it's about having accountability partners. So it's accountability time. I want you to account for the things that you'll be doing, for lack of a better sentence. I want you to hold me accountable. So I turn up for the next 20 days. This is day 10. My intention is to make it's a December challenge, so I endeavour to make the daily nightly trainings here. After that, what's going to happen is we're going to do a weekly training, once weekly only, on a Monday, on a specific theme, and I'll let you know about that then. But I love challenges, so I wanted to do this, so that's why you're seeing me every night here on this training. But after that, it's going to be weekly ones on a Monday night, inshallah. So yeah, I want you to hold me accountable. Inbox me, let me know if you're enjoying these training videos. Post on my wall, let me know. Tell me to turn up to make these videos. I mean, I know you guys are watching, even though if you don't comment right now, I know you're watching and you are benefiting from this, but hold me accountable, because you guys can be my coaches and mentors, because I'm here doing training for you. I'm still a student of knowledge. I'm a student of knowledge of the Islamic sciences and all of the sciences that I'm interested in. So I'm still a student. I'm always going to be a student. I love learning. So you guys can be my coaches and mentors as well right now. Say, you know what, we love your training. Come here and do the training every night for us. So that's the accountability. I'm holding myself accountable. And it's good to know that you know that I'm doing these daily, so you can hold me accountable. And get accountability buddy for yourself for whatever goal you're working on. As I said, if you want the services of a mentor and coach, if you resonate with my energy and you want to explore that option for yourselves, it is an investment. You can book it and message me, inbox me, and we can book a complimentary consult for you and see if I'm the right fit as a mentor coach for you. And there will be an investment of time, money, and energy after that if you want to go ahead with it. If not, there's other coaches and mentors that you resonate with. Go ahead, go for them, ask their services, invest in it for yourselves, and get yourself a mentor buddy. So what goal are you working on? And get yourself a buddy. And if you haven't, why don't you inspire and motivate that somebody? If you want to go walking, if you want to go running, if you want to do the reading, if you want to learn a new topic, let your friends know, let your family know, see who else is in that circle, and even the place that you probably attend, just say it's a book club for instance, see if there's other people attending, and discuss this topic about having an accountability buddy, having an accountability group, and get accounting, because that's how you're gonna measure your results. That's how you're gonna measure your progress, to see how far you've come so far. Because we have a goal, whichever goal you're working on, we break it down, we chunk it down into pieces, we take one step at a time. Remember, everything's about one step at a time, and then we hold ourselves accountable. Have we done that one step? I know we see the end vision, we have the vision for the end the goal that's ended, that we succeeded and we've done it, but to get there, to get to Jannah al-Firdaus, we got to take these steps here. So we're just not going to get there just like that. It's the same thing with any other goal. So yep, that's what I wanted to talk to you about. 10 days, alhamdulillah, I've held on. I think it's that 30-day challenge that I did on Instagram that's keeping me going for this as well, because I've already done that challenge. And although this platform's different because this is live time, FaceTime, live time right now, those are recorded and then uploaded, so they were like a 60-minute delay really. But this was another kind of challenge for me. So yeah, that's the accountability for tonight. We've done 10 days, inshallah ta'ala. Let's make dua to do 20 more trainings daily. I just focus on one day at a time for these trainings. And what are you working on? Where are you watching this from? Comment below, like, love, because I love the love button. So love the love button. And go ahead and share, inspire, motivate your loved ones. And help me inspire our ummah, inshallah ta'ala. Our ummah needs this. Our Muslim ummah needs this. It needs this personal development. So help me inspire them. Help me reach to them. And you're also going to get the reward for it. Whoever watches this, learns from it, implements and applies the teachings and makes a positive change in their life, you're going to be rewarded for it too, inshallah ta'ala. So, jazakumullah khairan for joining me tonight. Thank you. And that's a wrap for tonight. I'll see you in tomorrow night's training, inshallah. So, jazakallah khair and assalamu alaikum.